How to transfer photos from Kodak PIXPRO FZ45 to Android phone and iPhone. Method 1. Via USB cable, direct connection. Step 1. Power off the camera. Step 2. Plug the USB cable into the camera's USB port and your phone, using USB-HC for Android or USB-C, Lightning for iPhone. Step 3. The camera will appear as a removable drive or import device. Step 4. On your iPhone, open Apple's Photos app. You'll see the camera listed under Devices. Tap and import files. Step 5. On Android, open your file manager, browse the camera storage (DSIM) folder, and copy photos. Method 2. Using SD card or card reader adapter. Step 1. Remove the SD card from the camera. Step 2. Insert it into an SD-to USB or SD-to Lightning USB-C reader. Step 3. Plug the reader into your phone. Step 4. On iPhone, use the Photos app's Import tab. On Android, use your file browser or gallery to import images.